Certainly. Here are 10 fascinating facts about elephants. 1. Largest land mammals. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest of the two species and can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds, while the Asian elephant is slightly smaller. 2. Highly social creatures. Elephants are highly social animals, living in complex matriarchal societies led by the oldest and most experienced female, called the matriarch. They exhibit strong emotional bonds and communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and touch. 3. Remarkable memory. Elephants are known for their exceptional memory. They can remember significant locations, recognize other elephants even after years of separation, and recall past events, such as the locations of water sources and safe pathways. 4. Long gestation period. Elephant pregnancies are lengthy, lasting about 22 months, which is the longest gestation period of any mammal. This extended period is necessary for the development of the large and complex elephant fetus. 5. Herbivorous diet. Elephants are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. An adult elephant can consume up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food and drink up to 200 liters, 53 gallons, of water per day. 6. Impressive trunks. The elephant's trunk is a remarkable organ, serving various functions. It functions as a multipurpose tool for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping objects, and drinking water. It contains around 40,000 muscles, providing it with incredible strength and dexterity. 7. Unique tusks. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, whereas only some male Asian elephants possess them. Tusks are elongated incisor teeth made of ivory and can grow to impressive lengths. Unfortunately, they are also the reason for the elephant's plight, as they are heavily poached for their ivory. 8. Essential ecosystem engineers. Elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystems as keystone species and ecosystem engineers. Their feeding habits and movements shape the landscape, create habitats for other species, disperse seeds, and maintain biodiversity. 9. Threatened species. Despite their immense size and strength, elephants are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, poaching for ivory and meat, and captivity-related issues. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as endangered species. 10. Cultural significance. Elephants hold significant cultural and religious importance in many societies around the world, particularly in Asia and Africa. They are symbols of wisdom, strength, and longevity and feature prominently in folklore, art, and religious ceremonies.